task for today then. Homemade press brake metal folder. Already started. Now, because I've got 2 vices on my bench, I put those pieces on and they can hold in there. No, it's not finished welded, that's just tacked. There's no point welding it all up if I'm going to do it wrong and I need to cut it off. Got another piece there. And I've got those hinges. I'm experimenting the best fit so that can tilt over. And then I've got a massive, it's that massive, I've lost it, piece of angle that will go on to press down. I've got, again, I've lost them, there, some beefy springs. Those springs will go on the end, and when you wind down, the spring will push it back up. I've just found it. Oh, there's an MGB wing. See, told you I fixed it. Really beefy piece of metal, that is. Really. Probably a bit overkill for what I needed. It was in like the off-cut pile at the metal suppliers, so I thought I'd have it. Right, I'm not videoing me messing around making the thing. I'll show you when it's hopefully finished and working. Excuse the mess, I'm not very good at tidying up. Not in here anyway. I'll have a mad half day and do a good tidy up sometime in the new year. But this is something I have wanted to build for a long time. Sheet metal folder, press brake, whatever you want to call it. I used to use, because I've got 2 vices, they're the only vices I've got, angle iron, and just put the metal in between, in the gap, fold it over by hand, tap it. Can't do complicated shapes like that very easily. So I've watched a few videos, I've looked online. I know it's not perfect, but it'll do the job. And I can straighten edges up after. I've already done a couple of trial ones. They're not that sharp. It does need some further adjusting. This is to take up the tension so it doesn't bow in the middle. I think I need another one underneath. I did space it out properly when I welded the hinges on. There, look. But I think it needs something here just to add a bit more tension to it. As it's come out to 47 inches because that was the length of the bar I bought at the top. That's a really thick piece of bar. And then I've made some handles. They don't have to look nice as long as they work. Right, I'll attempt to put the camera in a tripod and show you it working. Okay, sorry about the rubbish camera angle. It's the only place I can get the tripod in. Right, that's probably 19-20 gauge, it's not quite a mil. She's just an offcut. I'm just putting in to prove my point. This is all, apart from this top bar, made from scrap I found in the garage. Some of it's my old garage roof from the home. Some of it's Audi. These were bracing bars that went underneath an Audi. And some of it is security grille from the office when we changed the windows. There was loads of metal, so I thought I'd keep it. Right, 3, 2, 1. I think I need to make this top bar adjustable to move back and forward a little because I think it's slightly too far back. So the bend isn't necessarily perfect, it's a bit rounded, but for a lot of things like sills, stuff like that, it's not perfectly flat, and I've not perfectly flattened the metal when I've cut it, so mind your ears. We could just Dave. There you are. That's it. There is another flaw I found. But these handles are actually too high up, and it puts a bend in the metal. But this is everything experimentation. Yeah, it's creased it again. But it's good if I want to make any sills. You can see there, or maybe you can't. Don't drop your phone, Dave, don't drop your phone. Let's put a bit of a crease in, but I can knock that out with an hammer, as they say in Stoke, and that's going to do for what I need it for. So it's cost me about 20 quid, probably with welding wire. Quite successful. I'm pleased with that. Right, I'll see you in the new year. Hopefully I've got some exciting projects coming in, as well as the MGB. See you.